Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook teriyaki beef. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced beef, like sirloin or flank steak. For the sauce, prepare half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger for that aromatic kick. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, mixed with 2 tablespoons of water ready to thicken our delicious sauce. Now let's get our beef ready and prepare the flavorful teriyaki sauce. Slice your beef against the grain into thin, manageable pieces. This ensures maximum tenderness. In a separate bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, mirin, sugar, minced garlic, and grated ginger. This mixture forms the heart of our teriyaki. Take about half of this delicious sauce and marinate your sliced beef in it for at least 15 minutes. This brief soak will infuse the beef with incredible flavor. It's time to cook our beef to perfection. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. This high heat is crucial for a good sear. Cook the marinated beef in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. Once done, remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside, keeping it warm while we finish the sauce. Almost there, let's finish our incredible teriyaki sauce. Pour the remaining teriyaki sauce into the same skillet and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now, stir in your cornstarch slurry. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens beautifully. Return the cooked beef to the skillet, tossing it gently to ensure every piece is coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. Serve this delicious teriyaki beef immediately over steamed rice, perhaps with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and fresh green onions. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.